In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and use playlists to control Video Kiosk's playback order. Let's get started. One way to control the playback order of your Video Kiosk media files is to use a playlist, which allows you to control both which files to play and in what order. Here's an example of how to use playlists to show an elevator pitch to a potential employer. As a software developer, Ethan has two mini presentations, elevator pitches, on his Android tablet to demonstrate his work. The first shows the games he's worked on. The second shows his other apps. He takes his tablet with him to most business functions he attends because it's an interesting way to show people what he does. He keeps all the media files for both pitches and a playlist for each on his tablet, so he can easily switch between them. Before he gets there, he selects the playlist to use, games or apps. Then, when he runs Video Kiosk, the right pitch is displayed. And if he wants to show the other pitch, he just changes the settings to use the other playlist. To use a playlist, follow these steps. Create a playlist file. Move the media files and the playlist file to your Video Kiosk folder. Update the settings with the playlist file to use. Here's each step in detail. Step 1. Create a playlist file. Create a playlist file, which is a plain text file with the extension .m3u2 or .m3u. The easiest way to create one is to download the playlist sample kit from our website and edit one of the included playlists. Here's what you do. Download the playlist sample kit from our website. You'll find the download link below. Open Sample Kit. Now duplicate and rename one of the sample playlists. Edit it with the text editor, Notepad on Windows or TextEdit on Mac. Update the file names to specify either the full path name on the device or the relative path from your Video Kiosk media folder. For example, I want to play the Coconut Hut banner, which is already in the media folder, so I specify just the file name. Leave the rest of the information in the file as is. The playlist parser expects it to be there. And for file content requirements, refer to the syntax guide in the Video Kiosk User's Manual. Step 2. Move the files. Move the media files to the media folder and the playlist file to the playlist folder in your Video Kiosk folder on your Android device. Step 3. Select the playlist file to use. To do this, first go to the Video Kiosk settings. Open File and Folder Settings. Go to Sort By and choose the playlist to use. Before you create a playlist of your own, you can see how this all works by downloading the playlist sample kit from our website, which has the media and playlist files created for you. Here's what you do. Download the playlist sample kit and open it. Move the media files in the kit to your Video Kiosk media folder and move the playlist files to the Video Kiosk playlist folder. Pick the app playlist. Video Kiosk will play the apps pitch. Next, open the settings again and pick the games playlist. Video Kiosk will now play the games pitch. Please note, it may take a little while for the apps playlist to finish before the games playlist begins. Now that you see how playlists work, you can create one of your own. There's lots of ways to use them. In your restaurant, you could create playlists that display different menus depending on the time of day. This is called day parting. Maybe you're in the business of delivering instructional seminars and have digital signage at the merchandise table in the back of the room. You could use playlists to display different featured products depending on which seminar you're giving that day. And if you had all the media and a playlist for each seminar already on the device, imagine how easy the preparation would be. You'd just have to launch Video Kiosk, choose the right playlist in the settings, and the right product information would be displayed automatically. Wouldn't that be easy? There's lots of creative ways to use playlists. What are the possibilities in the future for your business? If you found this video helpful, please leave us a comment.